coming up soon, and it's gonna be so much fun. You should be selling tickets to your friends and everyone. For every item you sell, Tanglewood gets money, and Central picks a charity. With every shirt, you know that means you can wear it on Wednesday with jeans. You have to sell and get that dough. But did you know you can go on a field trip to Raising Cane's. You can go, make your own fresh lemonade. Pump your sauce and become the boss. But you can't get in if you don't help your class win.